Hi everyone, Tom Wynn here with a quick tutorial on how you can set up your work from home desktop from your at-home laptop or desktop computer. So definitely a needed thing if you are going to work from home. So before you do this, you have to have a Duo passcode set up. And so you'll follow the instructions from our IT team. They'll send you an email on how to download the Duo app. And what that is it's a third-party authentication passcode. So it's in addition to your password that you use to get into your account at work. So this is anytime you're using a device outside of our network. So you'll need that before you get started. Once you do have that, then it's pretty simple as far as just following step by step. So we're going to run through that together. The first thing we'll do is we'll go to the website cvad.coexist.today. That will take us to the Citrix gateway. That should look pretty familiar to you. Same as what you have at work. Simply type in your credentials and log on. And then, oops, it says you're not on a network for the company. What is your passcode? So this is why you have to have that set up. So in my case, I do have a passcode to enter. This changes every time you log in. I log in with that. It recognizes it and says, okay. So now it's going to try to detect the Citrix receiver to see if I've already installed it. In this case, I'm on a computer that does not have it installed. So I just have to agree with the licensing for it, download the application, and then we'll hit continue. Okay, so it's downloading the application right now. This will take a few minutes. All right, so once the program has downloaded and you've clicked install, you'll probably have to enter your system administrator credentials. You're going to start to install. You have to accept the licensing agreement and hit next. And we want to enable a single sign-on for it. All right, so it's starting to install Citrix. This can take a little while. All right, so once it is done installing, you'll get a pop-up saying that it is finished and successful. You just simply have to hit finish on that. So after you've successfully installed the new Citrix application, you may have to restart your computer. At some point, if it does ask you for an account or to add an account from your IT department, just hit cancel. You do not need to add an account to that, but you will need to log back into it. On that note, you do want to save the website. So anytime you're going to work from home, you need to access this cvad.coexist.today website. So go ahead and save it to your favorite places. In this case, I have mine named Citrix so that I can easily get to it down the road. So I'll need to log right back in. So I'm going to enter my drive time credentials. And then it's going to ask me again for my Duo password, and so I have to refresh it and put in a new one. Okay, I'm going to log back in. All right, now we're back into the Citrix storefront. So to get into my actual desktop, I'll click on My Connect, just double click on that, open it up. And sometimes it'll automatically launch a pop-up, but sometimes you have to click on the file. So I'm going to click on the file down at the bottom, and it's opening the connection. And this can take a minute, just depending on your connection. Once you see My Connect connecting right here, you're on the right track. So it is right now linking up with my work Citrix desktop. And so it's adding that information and it pops right into it. So this is the desktop that I have for my work session. And I'm in it from my home computer. So all the normal things that you would have from your work desktop, you can go into DeskIT, you can go into Vision. We have Click to Dial is in here, your email, Multi-Pro, everything that you would need to do your job from home. You've got the access for it. And if you need to get back to your normal computer's desktop for some reason, you simply click on the little tab up at the top and you can go to home. If you hit home, that's going to take you back to where we were before and to my other desktop that I have. If I need to go back to my work desktop, then I click on the little monitor icon and that brings me back to my work session. And then once I'm done for the day, I can go ahead and disconnect, and that will sign me out from Citrix, and I'm back to where I started. So pretty easy process. Once you have it installed, it's real easy. You just go into the website that you have saved, log in with your Duo, and you're ready to start your day. So hopefully this is very helpful to get you set up. If you do run into issues or hiccups along the way, definitely reach out to your leadership team or to the help desk. I hope you have a great rest of your day.